In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual derivative. It's going to be a straight product rule here, so nothing too fancy, just what you would find in a Calc 1 class. So f prime of x, we're going to implement that product rule, so we'll take the first term, multiply it by the derivative of the second term, so d dx of that cosine of x. We'll add to that the second term, cosine of x, times the derivative of that first term, so derivative of natural log of x. All right, in this line, we'll actually find those derivatives, so natural log of x, derivative of cosine is going to be a negative sine x. We'll have the cosine of x, and then derivative of that natural log of x is 1 over x. Now, if we're going to clean this up a little bit, we'll multiply this. And let's switch the order here. We'll make this our second term. All right, so then we're going to have a cosine of x all over x, and then minus. And then let's go ahead and put the sine x in front, and then natural log of x second. All right, so a pretty straightforward product rule there, typically found in that basic beginning Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.